At Qualitrol International, we provide remanufactured PLCs, repairs for PLCs, and technical field service for PLCs. Today we're going to look at how to set an IP address on a ControlLogix 1756 ENET Ethernet module utilizing the BOOTP DHCP server software. Our senior PLC engineer will walk you through this process.
At the beginning, before you use the BOOTP software, power up your PLC rack. It will take a little bit of time before the PLC recognizes the PC internet connection. Once the connection's been established, then it's okay to start the BOOTP server. We're starting. And on the top screen, what we'll begin to see are some data coming across, which is shows the time that the message comes from the ENET module, the type of data that's being transferred. It's a BOOTP data packet, and then it also shows the Ethernet MAC ID. There's no IP address assigned to the module at this time. Notice that we're making a direct connection to the module from the PC. There's no switch or hub being used, and because of that we're using a crossover cable. If only direct cables are available, then a switch or a hub would be necessary to do what we're doing. So once we've established, we have only one device on our network, so we don't have to worry about which MAC ID is the device that we're looking for. Once we, in our case, we've only got one, so we'll select any of the packets that have come across from the Ethernet module, and then we click on Add to Relation List. And at this point in time, what we'll do is we'll change the IP address to 192.168.2.2. We don't have this on a network, so we don't have to set the host name, and I'm not going to bother by setting a description. So when I click OK, down at the bottom, we'll see in our relation list, we'll see that the MAC ID has been associated now with the IP address that I just entered. Now this is only temporary at this point. If we want to make this permanent so that the PLC will come up and power up with this IP address from this point forward, we select the BOOTP and our new IP address, and then we click on Disable BOOTP DHCP. We notice down at the bottom that the BOOTP command has been successful. So the new IP address has been established in our Ethernet module, and the next time we power up the module, the new IP address will be in effect.